Hi everyone, today we'll look at how to solve an advanced geometry question involving the distance between 2 points. So here's today's question. We know that A is 4,6 and B is 1,k and the distance between AB is 5 units. We have to find for k value. Before we solve for k, we need to remember the formula distance of two coordinates. When A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, the distance between A and B is root x2 minus x1 to the square plus y2 minus y1 to the square. This is a key formula in coordinate geometry, so try to remember this. Now let's apply the formula into the question. We know that A is 4,6 and B is 1,k. Using that formula, we can write the distance between AB into root bracket 1 minus 4 bracket to the square plus bracket k minus 6 bracket to the square. And the question is saying that the distance of AB is 5 units. Therefore, we can write the one that we just wrote into 5. Now we just need to solve this equation to get the k value. Simplify the equation, then minus 3 squared plus k minus 6 squared is equal to 5. Do you remember how to get rid of that root? To get rid of the root, we need to square both sides. Then it turns into bracket minus 3 bracket to the square plus bracket k minus 6 bracket to the square is equal to 5 to the square. Simplify more, then we get 9 plus k squared minus 12k plus 36 is equal to 25. Rearrange the equation, then we get k squared minus 12k plus 45 and minus 25 equals to 0. Then we get k squared minus 12k plus 20 equals to 0. Now we need to factorize it to get the k value. So we can input k minus 10 and k minus 2. So the k value is 2 or 10. So this is the answer for today's question. This is the advanced geometry question that you must understand clearly. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.